I'm Dr. Pamela Olet, Chairperson, Nairobi Rivers Commission. I'm very grateful today to the organizers of this event, that is the UN Habitat. Actually, the caliber of the institutions, the organizations, and the countries represented here is actually conglomerating all the solutions, the innovations that we have been looking for to integrate within the Nairobi River Basin development. The opportunity we have had today is to interact with the many stakeholders that have various aspects of integration within the Nairobi River Basin. One aspect that we have noted today there, in our stakeholding, we have come across a number of stakeholders that we did not involve in our early activities. And we've taken them on board from today, and we thank the organizers for bringing these people together. Also, during our interactions, we've come across different organizations and countries that we can partner with, benchmark, to pick the lessons learned from those countries and organizations and integrate them in our development plans. We have come across innovative solutions, replacements to plastic. We've come across resilient urban development, greenhouses that is going to really add value to the strategic framework that we are developing now. Because already we are seeing where we are supposed to go by just looking at what people have done elsewhere. And I think this is a very, very good forum that is going to help us develop plans for a resilient urban cities like Nairobi and many others. Thank you.